Hey everyone, it's your boy Dawit here. Today, I'm going to show you a strategy that can instantly boost your trading accuracy. It's called multi-time frame analysis. Surprisingly, most beginners completely ignore this technique, while more and more pros use it for filter out bad trades. You know, where to find even more proven strategies. This is my Telegram channel, of course. After watching this video, you will be able to find high-quality entry points and avoid most false signals. And it will be a lot of fun today. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so what is multi-time frame analysis? It means we're going to analyze the same currency pair but across different time frames. Let's pick a pair first. I think this one is good. Today's volatile, active and perfect for this kind of strategy. As you can see, I marked some key zones already. Well, we were working today on M30, N15, N1 and S5, which means 30-minute candle, 15-minute candle, and M1 and 5-second candle. Well, in this strategy, M30 shows the bigger picture, it's higher time frame. M15 is the medium time frame, show us the different changes, and one lower time frame, and S5 execution time frame, where we will work and find the empty points. Let's check the auto market structure M13. Usually we see a pattern like this: uptrend, sideways, downtrend, or the opposite. Every measure spike is typically followed by a strong reaction up followed by down, or down followed by up, and between the spikes, yes, there's where a price moves sideways. Our job is to catch the impulse move, not the sideways chop. Remember, now we switch to 15 minutes, but check the pattern again. So as you can see that it's a strong upward trend after this strong downward trend, but between it's always sideways. By the way, I trade today for 30 seconds, and for 3,000 you always ask me, Dave, why you don't trade on the bigger amount today? I will do this. I'll tell the strategy. Okay, as you can see, the N15 shows M1 renew the trend, but as you can see, there are more moves there. S5, this is the where we open a first trade. We open it with the downward trend, what we can see in the bigger picture on M30 and M15. I hope you understand. Okay, let me just wait for this first trade. Okay, oh, that's minus. We just used multiplicator, martingale, of course. As you can see, this interesting situation that on S5, much more moves. We always sure that the bigger picture is downward trend. That's why I open now for 15K, the bigger deal, because I'm very sure that even if my second trade not work, I will win another one, because the bigger picture is downward trend. As you can see, we're going. Yeah, this is like this strategy, calm down, it show you the bigger picture and on the smaller amount trades. Plus today I will trade aggressively, and also it's important to understand that you need to control your risks. Me, in this strategy, I have the rule that if 3 trades in minus, I will come to this trading next day. This is how I work when I trade at the bigger amounts trades. Okay, we open another trade downward, as you can see, because the bigger picture, again, N30 and N15 show us that this is a perfect time to go down, bullish one. So just explain to you why this chart structure happens, why it's downward, upward, and after this spike. I get a loss and I open with multiplicator from 9,000, as you can see, leaving the gap, which shows that the sellers much stronger than buyers. By the way, buyers and sellers, right? The bigger sharks on this market, they form these patterns, they form these charts, right? So the accumulation and distribution zones, which is accumulation is flat, what we call, or range bound, or spike. So the 70% of time market in this zone of accumulation, where the big players accumulate profits, and distribution, that's where we need to trade the trend zones, right? Distribution, when it's going big up or big down, 30% of time market in this distribution zone, and that's where we catch our profits. Okay, let's go back to S5. Even that we lost some trades, but you see that with multiplicator, when you're sure that on a bigger picture the trend is too strong, we open and open and open the main thing to have enough budget for this, right? I see that the first here trade was not very good, but I think it's also can be in profit because we work inside of the big red candle, guys. Yes, you see, first profit, and another one, I'm sure, will be in profit for 6K. Wow, going good. You see this hole between the candles, it's called gap, but that means that the sellers in this case much more stronger. And the same time it can be gap between green candles, that will mean that buyers much more stronger. You see on S5 a lot of moves. Minus, but for 15K, our main trade, as you can see, really clear, the powerful trade, powerful one. Hey, the market really been volatile today. And yeah, there's another one trade for 3,000. Just one who position to push toward that's 150K I want to see today on my account. That's it, because we very confident the trend still has room. I hope you understand the strategy. I try to not lose a lot of your time. Just check the 4 position: M30, M15, M1 and S5. M trade on S5, but the trend with video picture with M30, just double check on M15 and M1. But as you can see, in this case, we have so much potential to make money. But for today, I think is enough for me. Wow, guys, 29K. It was a great session, right? I hope you also enjoy the strategy, because the point was today not just make money, but also show you the base. This is the base of chart analytics. Take it for free. So let's discuss again what is multi-time frame analysis. It's really help you understand where price is going and why. It reduces emotional trading and gives structure, as you saw my trading today. This avoid trading in sideways and noise zones. Let's focus on impulse, pullback, continuation, patterns. Always, like me, always trade in a line with the higher time frame. This method takes more attention, but it pays off in cleaner setups and fewer random losses, and it's really pay good. I just show you how I use this, but practice this type of analysis. Check more videos. I will share with you more knowledges. I can't just share with you all my knowledges in one video, but follow this channel. This tons of good tips to sharpen your trading strategies. And also don't forget to follow my Telegram channel, because there's a lot of insights there. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you also have a great day like me today. And see you in the next video. Peace.